ebitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe birugireyo n'ehuriro zo kubyara emiti ahagukorwa na sempinda hinduka y'obwire na munonga omukyanga kya Albertine ekitongore ekirikujunanasibwa aha by'obuhangwa n'ebitwehingurize ekya National Environment Management Authority nikigira ngu kubyara emiti hatariho kugireberera n'eyoma ehwaho yona.
And as NEMA we say let's not stop at just planting trees, but let's ensure that the trees do grow. And I thank the Honorable Minister for your initiative to pick out the student leaders so that they can take responsibility for the trees that have been planted to ensure that they actually grow.
We signed a memorandum of understanding with the Ministry of Water and Environment, and we are going to be planting trees in the 10 ECOP districts, working with the institutions that have land. The schools today have planted trees. Honourable Minister, we intend to come back and look at these schools more and plant as much as the schools will need.
Ebi bibire aha mukoro gwo kuzaguza ekiro ky'ebitwehingurize ekya World Environment Day ogubirakiriza ya St Genesis omutawuni kanso ya Mpasana omu district ya Kakomero.
Oil and gas is still here for the next decades, and oil and gas is continuing to ensure that it contributes to the challenge of climate change and the greenhouse gas effect that we all want to work towards against.
Bakutte bulungi omulimu guno nti obutonde bw'ensi bugenda kukosebwa nnyo kubanga bazze ne science. Tugenda kukungula carbon oyo. We are going to harvest carbon. Tugenda kukungula gas. We are going to harvest LPG. Nawaddeyo ddala basino ku license of constructing a LPG facility. N'abatotaalo nabo banaatera.
We shall make sure that trees will be planted. Also, as President Taringaya, the vice chairperson, we shall make sure through the Office of the Environment, we provide the trees for our people, but we need more support because our population is very high.
Babwire emiti y'ebijuma erimu emiyembe, vakedo, emicungwa hamwe n'ebindi abataka babahire emiti ngo nabo bagende bagibyare. Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.